Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most valuable tips and tricks on how to achieve financial success. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey together as we explore the top 10 ways anyone can become a millionaire in just 2 years. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Number 1. Start with a crystal clear vision. Successful millionaires know exactly what they want to achieve and create a roadmap to reach their goals. Take some time to visualize your dreams, believe in them wholeheartedly, and write them down. Let this vision guide every step you take. Number 2. Develop a strong work ethic. Becoming a millionaire is no easy feat, but those who are willing to put in the effort are the ones who will come out on top. Embrace hard work, go the extra mile, and don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Remember, success often comes to those who work harder than anyone else. Number 3. Savings, savings, savings. Building wealth starts with saving money. Cut unnecessary expenses, live within your means, and commit to a savings plan. Set aside a portion of your income each month and watch your savings grow over time. Trust me, it's worth it. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 4. Invest wisely. While saving is crucial, investing your money is the key to rapid wealth accumulation. Educate yourself on various investment opportunities, such as stocks, real estate, or starting a business. Seek professional advice when needed and make calculated, informed decisions. Number 5. Multiple streams of income. Millionaires understand that relying on a single income source is limiting. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or creating passive income streams. Diversifying your income will not only boost your financial stability but also accelerate your journey to becoming a millionaire. Number 6. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Associate yourself with ambitious, driven individuals who inspire and challenge you to grow. Together, you'll be unstoppable on your path to millionaire status. Number 7. Never stop learning. Continuous personal and professional development is vital for achieving long-term success. Read books, attend seminars, take online courses, invest in yourself. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more doors of opportunity will open for you. Number 8. Take calculated risks. Millionaires are not afraid to step outside their comfort zones and seize opportunities that others may consider risky. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace calculated risks with well-researched strategies. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Number 9. Stay persistent and resilient. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Expect obstacles along the way, but don't let them deter you. Stay determined, learn from your failures, and keep pushing forward. Success often comes to those who refuse to give up. Number 10. Give back. True success is not only measured by the size of your bank account, but also by the impact you make on others' lives. Use your newfound wealth to give back to your community and support meaningful causes. Remember, the more you give, the more you receive. Congratulations, future millionaires. By adopting these 10 powerful strategies, you're on your way to transforming your financial destiny and becoming a millionaire in just 2 years. Believe in yourself, take action, and always keep your eye on the prize. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our life-changing content. Here's to your unstoppable success.